Hey everybody, Michael Rooker here. I'm at the South Texas Comic-Con, and I just am about to begin the Rio Grande Yummy South Texas Valley Taste Test. This is Carlos V. Carlos V looks like it's a chocolate bar of some sort. Carlos Quinto. That's the name of it?
Carlos the Fifth, yeah.
Carlos Quinto?
Yep.
Okay, Carlos Quinto, here you go. Okay. It's milk chocolate. Yeah, it's delicious. This is called Duvalin. Duvalin. It comes with its own little spoon. And on the back side, it's clear so you can see the taste. It looks like it's got maybe some sort of cocoa or chocolate with maybe a strawberry thing. Let's try it. I'm gonna try to get this is sort of a yin and yang candy, okay? Maybe one is spicy and one is not. I'm gonna dip in here. That way I got a little of the strawberry looking stuff and a little of the chocolate looking stuff. Look at that. Kind of cool looking. I like the little spoon thing. Yeah, definitely strawberry of some sort with chocolate. That's very pleasant. It's, you know, maybe that's like a 3.5. You could like spread this on crackers or something like that. Yeah, and or you can eat it out like that with your tongue. You go, and you got to make those noises when you eat this kind of stuff. Otherwise, people won't know that it's good or not. Sponge marshmallow thing. How do you say the name of this? Oh, Sponch. Okay, Sponch.
You gotta get a little Mexican. Sponch.
Sponch. Yeah. Yeah. Does that sound Mexican?
Yes, very much so.
Sponch. Amigos and senoritas. Here we go. What's in the middle here? We got some jam. You eat this stuff before? See, I like a little crunch with my sponge. It's pretty good. I give that a 3.5 to 4 too.